The forest was vast, full of trees, providing us food and shelter to live. The water was clear. The animals were freely living.
Our planet-harming activities are resulting in causing irreversible damage to our environment.
The air was polluted. Look around. The river are filled with so much garbages and most are plastics. Plastics here, plastics there, plastics everywhere.
Plant more trees.
Trees provide us food and oxygen. They help save energy and combat climate change.
Drive less.
Refrain from using vehicles that use fuels.
Conserve water.
It will save us later.
Reduce single-use recycling.
Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources. It's not too late for us to save our Mother Earth.